If we take a look at the schematic for our lower lateral connector, we can see that there are two holes located on one edge towards the center of this board. Additionally, these holes measure a depth of 3/4 of an inch. They also have a diameter of 3/8 of an inch. To set this up, we can place a 3/8 inch drill bit in our drill guide, and we can then use a ruler, and by using a ruler and moving that drill bit back and forth, we can determine the drill depth. We want this to be set at about 3/4 of an inch. And when correctly positioned, we can add a piece of tape. If we take a look back at the schematic, we can see that each of these holes are centered 8 1/4 from the ends of the board. And we can verify our measurements by measuring between the marks. This measurement should equal 1.5 inches. And our board can then be clamped in the vise. We can then install our drill guide and line up our identified hole location with the mark on the drill guide. And we can drill down to our tape mark. Slide that down to our next mark and drill another hole. And we now have our two holes drilled to a depth of 3/4 of an inch and a diameter of 3/8 of an inch, both being located 8 1/4 inches in from the end.